Einstein's brain did exhibit some unusual features compared to the average human brain. While it wasn't vastly different in size or overall structure, studies have revealed some interesting variations. Parietal lobes, these areas, involved in spatial reasoning and mathematical thought, were found to be wider than usual in Einstein's brain. Some researchers believe this might have contributed to his exceptional spatial and mathematical abilities. Corpus callosum, this thick band of nerve fibers connecting the brain's hemispheres, seemed more developed in Einstein, potentially indicating enhanced communication between the left and right sides of his brain. Neuronal density. Certain regions of Einstein's brain showed a higher concentration of glial cells, which support and nourish neurons. While the significance of this finding is still debated, it could suggest better neuronal efficiency in these areas. Gyrification. The pattern of folds and sulci on the brain's surface, known as gyrification, was also somewhat unusual in Einstein, with some unique features observed in specific areas. However, it's important to remember that these differences only offer glimpses into the potential neural basis of Einstein's genius. Numerous other factors, including genetics, environment, and life experiences, undoubtedly played crucial roles in shaping his exceptional mind. Attributing his genius solely to anatomical variations in the brain can be misleading and oversimplifies the complex interplay of biological and environmental factors that contribute to extraordinary cognitive abilities. Do you have any specific aspects of Einstein's brain you'd like to know more about? I can share further information on the research and ongoing debates surrounding its unique features. Information about specific aspects of Albert Einstein's brain. Parietal lobes. Researchers like Sandra Whittleson found Einstein's parietal lobes, particularly the inferior parietal lobule, to be 15% wider than average. This area is crucial for spatial reasoning, visual motor coordination, and mathematical ability. While wider lobes don't directly translate to genius, it could point to a different neural organization optimized for these processes. Corpus callosum. Dean Falk's analysis noted a thicker corpus callosum in Einstein's brain. This band of nerve fibers connects the left and right brain hemispheres, facilitating communication and integration of information. A thicker corpus callosum suggests enhanced interhemispheric communication, potentially contributing to his innovative thinking and ability to synthesize ideas from different disciplines. Neuronal density. Mariliyn Diamond discovered regions in Einstein's brain with a higher concentration of glial cells, specifically astrocytes. These cells support and nourish neurons, potentially indicating increased neuronal efficiency in those areas. However, the exact role of glial cells in cognitive function remains an ongoing field of research. Gyrification. Falk also identified unique features in the gyrification pattern of Einstein's brain. Specifically, she noted an extra ridge in the mid-frontal lobe, an area involved in planning, working memory, and decision-making. This specific variation hasn't been observed in other brains, hinting at a unique neural organization in Einstein. Beyond anatomy, it's crucial to remember that brain anatomy provides only part of the puzzle. Genetic factors, early childhood experiences, and lifelong dedication to scientific inquiry undoubtedly played significant roles in shaping Einstein's genius. Attributing his brilliance solely to brain structure risks oversimplifying the complex interplay of biological and environmental influences. Ongoing research. Studies on Einstein's brain continue to this day, utilizing newer technologies like MRI scans and genetic analysis. These efforts aim to further elucidate the potential neural correlates of his extraordinary cognitive abilities while acknowledging the multifaceted nature of human intelligence. I hope this additional information provides a deeper understanding of the fascinating peculiarities of Albert Einstein's brain and the ongoing scientific efforts to unravel the mysteries of his genius. Do you have any further questions or specific areas you'd like me to delve into? I'm eager to share more insights. I haven't fully satisfied your thirst for information on Albert Einstein's brain. Let's dive deeper into specific aspects you'd like to know more about. Tell me, what are you particularly curious about? Is it something specific like specific regions of the brain? Are you interested in learning more about the structure and function of particular areas that were different in Einstein's brain, like the parietal lobes or the corpus callosum? Theories and interpretations. Would you like to explore different hypotheses about how these anatomical variations might have contributed to his cognitive abilities? Comparisons with other brains. Are you curious about how Einstein's brain compares to those of other exceptional individuals or the average human population? The ethical implications. Would you like to discuss the ethical considerations surrounding the removal and study of Einstein's brain without his consent? I can tailor my response based on your specific interests and ensure you get the most informative and comprehensive answers to your questions. Don't hesitate to ask anything about this fascinating topic. Seems like you're looking for even more information about Albert Einstein's brain. To help me provide the most relevant details, it would be great if you could be a bit more specific about what you'd like to know. Do you have any questions about specific features of the brain? For example, are you curious about the extra ridge in the midfrontal lobe or the wider parietal lobes? The research methods used to study the brain? Perhaps you are interested in how photographs, slices, or even new technologies like MRI are used to analyze the brain structure. Theories and implications of the findings? Would you like to discuss how these brain differences might have related to Einstein's genius or what ethical considerations surround preserving and studying famous individuals' brains? Anything else that pops into your mind? There's no limit to what we can explore about this fascinating topic. The more specific you can be, the better I can tailor my response to your interests and provide you with the most in-depth information possible. Let's unravel the mysteries of Einstein's brain.